I stand before you today to discuss a critical issue that affects all of us. The issue is about the imminent takeover of First Republic Bank and the possibility of other banks facing a similar fate. I firmly believe that this is a pressing matter that deserves our attention and action. First, let me provide some background on the situation. Recently, news broke out that First Republic Bank, a San Francisco-based bank, has been targeted for a takeover by a larger financial institution. This news has sent shockwaves across the banking industry and the market as a whole. It's not just First Republic Bank that is facing this predicament, but other small and mid-sized banks are also at risk of being acquired by larger banks. The primary reason for the takeover of First Republic Bank is its high profitability and growth potential. This bank has consistently outperformed its peers, and as a result, it has become an attractive target for larger banks that are looking to expand their footprint and market share. This is a classic example of how big corporations are looking to gobble up smaller companies to further their interests. While some may argue that this is a natural course of business, I firmly believe that it is not. Consolidation in the banking industry has been a trend for decades, and it has resulted in the concentration of wealth and power in the hands of a few large corporations. This has led to a lack of competition, reduced customer choice, and limited access to credit and financial services for many people. Moreover, the takeover of First Republic Bank could result in the loss of jobs and the displacement of employees who have dedicated their careers to the bank. This is a significant concern as it can have a ripple effect on the local community, the economy, and society as a whole. But what can we do about it? One solution is to advocate for more significant regulatory oversight of mergers and acquisitions in the banking industry. This would ensure that the interests of all stakeholders, including customers, employees, and the community, are taken into account before any such transactions are approved. It would also prevent the creation of monopolies and promote fair competition, leading to better products and services for consumers. Another solution is to support local community banks and credit unions. These institutions are often more focused on serving the needs of their communities and have a better understanding of local market conditions. By supporting them, we can help promote competition and prevent the concentration of wealth and power in the hands of a few large corporations. In conclusion, the takeover of First Republic Bank is a significant development that has far-reaching implications for the banking industry and society as a whole. While it may seem like a remote issue that does not affect us directly, the reality is that it does. We all have a stake in ensuring that the banking industry remains competitive and serves the needs of all stakeholders. So let us come together and advocate for greater regulatory oversight and support for local community banks and credit unions. Only then can we ensure a fair and just financial system that works for all of us. Stay tuned.